Alright, hey everyone. Today we're going to be doing a classic keto chicken fried rice, my take on it. Let's go ahead and get into it, shall we, Melissa? She's nodding. In my mind, anyway. Okay, go ahead and cut up some shallots and some carrots. That is the first thing we're going to do. Choppity chop chop. Just chop all that up. There we go. It has some garlic over there as well. But go ahead and add the shallots and the carrots to the pan. It's already hot, obviously, as always. And go ahead and cook those. Let those simmer for a good 10 minutes or so. Want to get those cooked so they don't burn with the chicken and such. Now go ahead and grate your cauliflower. I just use a cheese grater because I'm old school. And then, yeah, you can use a cloth for this to go ahead and squeeze the water out. I'm using a cheesecloth here. So go ahead and do that. Get that all nice and squeezed out. Very good. Good. Keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. You want to get all the moisture out of this as much as possible. You do not want kind of mushy rice, and the key to that is getting the moisture out of the cauliflower. Okay, so I'm using chicken thighs, as you can see there. Cook those up, and then go ahead and get your cabbage ready here. Your chicken thighs are going to cook for about 30 minutes or so. Alright, so you can see it already looks like rice. And then we have our cabbage chopped up as well. Something else that also goes in rice a lot of times. Fried rice. Alright, so I've added the carrots, onions, and chicken. You see the chicken is already cooked all together. Right, now we're just mixing that all in. I like to use a splash of vinegar to get all the little bits off of the bottom. I use apple cider vinegar because it has a better flavor to me. And you go ahead and put all the rice and the cabbage in, right? Then we're going to cook it all together. Let the rice absorb all that stuff that the vinegar just got up, and it's going to taste delicious. It's a trick of mine. All right, go ahead and let this cook. And what I'm doing right now is incorporating all the stuff in the bottom of the pan into the food. That's key. You really, really, really do want to do that every time. All right. Cooking up very nicely. I've added in some coconut aminos at this point. I like to add in about half a cup of coconut aminos. Again, this is serving 3 people. So divide it up. It's really not that many carbs. This is sesame seed oil, another thing I always use when I do Chinese American cooking. It just really brings out the flavor. It almost has like a peanut taste, but I mean it tastes like sesame seeds, obviously. But a lot of people haven't had sesame seeds, so I'm describing the flavor. Alright, and then you cook it in the pan, once it's all incorporated, I'd say about like 15 minutes. And there you go. You have your keto fried rice. Doesn't it look delicious? I want some now. I'm gonna go make some. I can smell it. So good.